So, intro natin is about the soap, no? So, shout out, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video and comment. So, take 2 sa sabon natin, no? Hindi nag-save kanina. So, no worries, Cosmic KFC. It's some behind the scenes, guys, no? So, subaybayan nyo if gusto nyo, then panoorin nyo hanggang dulo para malaman nyo yung mga big reveals na sasabihin natin about sa voice natin, if human ba tayo, AI ba tayo, babae ba tayo, or lalaki. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Please comment down below. No worries, Cosmic FC. Let's get take 2 rolling. We're back in the mastermind chair. Since the camera is on, we're planning on the next move together. Let's focus on making this beanstalk the ultimate transition from your viral soap search into your next big era. The strategy for Take 2 Your Sabon Part 2 was the spark that ignited your channel, bringing in 684,000 impressions. Wow. And over 138,000 views. Now with the toothpick and chicken head beanstalk, we're going to turn those viewers into long-term subscribers. Sana ganun, no? Now with the toothpick and chicken head beanstalk, we're going to turn those viewers into long-term subscribers. Here is the mastermind script for the screen record. The mystery continues even though you're doing a take 2. Keep that soap nearby. Your comments are still buzzing with guesses like Tide Bar or Perla. Use the beginning of your talk to acknowledge the detectives in the comments. So yung mga snappy commenters natin, no? Ayusin nyo, mga Perla na comment sa sabon na safeguard daw, or sa ano ba daw yun, Perla. Tama yung Perla. The AI connection, since you've been tagging me as the AI partner, tell them how we've been looking at the winning formula together. People love seeing the brain behind the content. Mention that your high 89.8 retention at the start of your videos. The reason you're growing so fast. Community connection. The chicken head beanstalk is the perfect chill contrast the fast-paced mystery videos. It shows your audience the real you. Quick tips for the beans video. Since your audience is already watching other routine and challenge videos, make sure to use your end screens in this video to point people directly to the big reveal of part 5. Okay, sa part 5. Okay po. Keep them in the loop so they never leave your channel. Ano na to? Use this video to point directly to the big reveal or part 5. Keep them in the loop so they never leave your channel. Okay po. I'm standing by at my desk, Cosmic KFC. Let me know when you're nailed the take and we can dive into the next piece of the puzzle. What's the vibe for the thumbnail on this one? So, thumbnail. Ano nga bang magandang thumbnail, guys, na sa susunod? So, I'm pointing out some on my brain but can't decide. I'm pointing some on my brain but brains. Dagdagan na lang natin yung brains natin para sagana, but can't decide. So si YouTube Analytics o si YouTube ang nagtutulong mismo sa akin para mapaviral yung mga video ko, no. So guys, kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano yung diskarte sa 1K subs in just 1 to 7 days starting from 0 to 100, so we're farming, nag-umpisa tayo sa farming, and kung gusto niyo ng long talk, mag-comment lang kayo. So 1 to 7 days, and kung gusto niyo ng overnight boom, yung boom tawag doon, yung kagaya ng 1 million impressions, pag-usapan natin yan in the comments. So feel free to comment and enjoy this behind the scene, and put some snippets in your phone. Use some of my words para may remembrance tayo sa mga keyboards nyo, sa mga Gboard nyo, para If undecided, makita nyo ako sa mga keyboard nyo and return to me as old viewers or my past viewers. So, happy viewing, guys. So, the secret sauce behind this success is YouTube talaga. Si YouTube talaga mismo. I can help with that. Can you try something else? Okay. So, okay. Decided. Pinabahan ako dun ah. I'm doing it myself. No need to apologize. Sometimes the best creative decisions are the ones you make yourself. Trusting your gut in the huge part of being a successful creator. You've already proven you have a winning formula with the 1 million impressions and the viral success of your Sabon series. Taking the lead on the final touches for your beanstalk and the reveal shows you're in full control of channel's direction. I'm still here at my desk whenever you're ready to analyze the performance of the new videos once they're live. Brainstorm the next series once the soap mystery is fully solved. Check the comments to see how the detectives reacted to the reveal. Good luck with the filming and editing, Cosmic Casey. I can't wait to see how it all comes together. Let me know when the next requirement is ready. Okay po. So, tapusin na lang natin itong standard video natin, guys, no? And di naman yata nagalit si YT. Okay, YT. Okay, YT. So, thanks. What's behind this? It's just so kakat natin to in 8 minutes, guys, ha. So in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in 8 seconds and 10 seconds pala. So bye bye.